ProContractor by Viewpoint is one of the popular construction management software options out there, but is it the right choice for you? In this video, we'll dive into 12 things you need to know before making your decision, and we'll compare it to some of its top competitors to help you figure out if it's the right fit for your business. First thing you should know is that ProContractor by Viewpoint combines accounting, project management, and construction-specific features in one solution. This is a big draw for many businesses because it allows you to streamline operations. However, some competitors like Buildertrend offer more specialized project management features, which might be a better fit if that's your primary focus. Next thing to consider is the user interface. ProContractor has a more traditional design that some users might find outdated compared to modern software like Procore, which offers a sleeker and more intuitive user experience. If ease of use is a priority for your team, this could be a downside. The third thing to know is about pricing. ProContractor has flexible pricing models, which means you can customize your subscription based on your needs. But compared to competitors like CoConstruct, which offer all-inclusive pricing with no hidden fees, ProContractor might not always be the most cost-effective option for small businesses. The fourth thing is scalability. If you're running a large construction company, ProContractor has the capabilities to handle complex projects, but it might be overkill for smaller firms. On the other hand, software like Buildertrend might be more adaptable and user-friendly for small to mid-sized teams without sacrificing key features. The fifth thing is integration. ProContractor integrates well with other Viewpoint solutions, but if you're looking to integrate with third-party tools outside of the Viewpoint ecosystem, you might run into some limitations. Competitors like Procore have a much wider range of integrations with third-party software, which could be a huge advantage for businesses that rely on a diverse tech stack. Next thing to think about is the mobile app. ProContractor's mobile app is functional, but it's not as advanced as some of the other options out there, like Procore, which offers a more feature-rich and user-friendly mobile experience. If your team is constantly in the field, this might be a critical factor for you. The seventh thing is reporting. ProContractor offers strong reporting features, but they're often seen as less customizable compared to some competitors like Sage 100 Contractor. If your reporting needs are highly specialized, this might be a deal breaker. Next, let's talk about support. ProContractor has a solid support team, but some users report slower response times compared to others like Procore, which is known for its 24/7 support. If quick customer service is a top priority for you, you might want to weigh this factor carefully. The ninth thing is training. Viewpoint offers training for ProContractor, but it might not be as comprehensive or as readily available as the resources offered by competitors like Buildertrend. This could delay your team's onboarding process. The 10th thing to consider is contract management. ProContractor does have solid contract management features, but other software options like CoConstruct may have more advanced tools for handling complex contracts with multiple stakeholders, which could be beneficial depending on your business type. Next thing to think about is document management. ProContractor allows you to store and manage documents, but some users find it lacks the more streamlined document sharing features available in software like Procore. If document management is a huge part of your workflow, this could be something to consider. The 12th thing is customization. ProContractor is customizable to a certain extent, but it doesn't offer the same level of flexibility that other solutions, such as Buildertrend, might offer. If you need a platform that can be tailored to your exact business processes, this could be a downside. So, is ProContractor by Viewpoint a good option? Yes, it's a solid choice, particularly for larger construction companies looking for an all-in-one solution. But if you're looking for something more flexible or better suited for smaller businesses, you might want to check out other options. If you're looking for a better solution, we've got one we highly recommend. Check out our recommended software, which offers a free trial, so you can test it for yourself and see how it compares to ProContractor.